and welcome. My name is Marilyn Mickey, and I'm the Digital Product Evangelist for STAAR Master Interactive. And I'm here to help you navigate STAAR Master Interactive so you can focus on your learning and your growing skills. So today I'm going to show you how to use Coach, which is our text-to-speech feature designed to support you on your assignments. So let's check it out. First things first, let's open an assignment. Click on the assignment card in your dashboard and it'll take you right in. See the panel on the left? That's Coach. If you ever want to hide it, just click the arrow in the bottom left corner. But when you need a helping hand, you can go ahead and bring it right back. Want to hear the question read aloud? Click the play icon and Coach will read it out loud to help you focus and understand better. Now, if you're working on reading language arts assignment, listen up. Coach will not read the passage itself, but you can use it to read the question, and here's how. Look under Coach's avatar. You'll see two dots. Click the dot on the right, and then hit play to hear the question. And that's it. Now you know how to use Coach to guide you through your questions. So give it a go on your next assignment and let Coach help you build your confidence while you show off your skills.